Good morning. Here we are, a little driveway excavation, concrete. I call this my specialty. I started breaking it up a little bit with the bucket already this morning. I brought the hammer, but I don't think I need it. Even the stairs, I was able to get the stairs out. They had a bit of a foundation to them, went down a couple feet, I guess. I might end up needing the hammer just to break them up a bit to load it on the truck, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. She's big, she's heavy. Probably am gonna need the hammer to break them. Just waiting for the truck driver now. Little jobs like this take about 4 hours usually. Get rid of 2 loads of concrete. We got the backhoe there. I think it's about 900 square feet plus the stairs. No wire mesh, or none that I see anyway, maybe a little bit of wire. Stuff breaks up real easy. And this is 2 doors down from where we dug a basement last summer with the backhoe. I have a video on YouTube there. Massive basement that we dug. This is the house. This is the house right here. We dug the basement for this thing last summer in like 2 days with a backhoe loader. It's a massive house. I can't believe it. Anyway, backhoe man out. Yeah, I'd say we got a good load on them today. That's the second load out of this driveway. First one was a full load too. Said he even had a little trouble dumping it.
Tidying up your mess.
Driveway looks good. Stairs are gone. We got the heavy horsepower here today. George's Excavate. Backhoe man out.